Introducing Overture by the American team Boom Supersonic, a marvel capturing aviation enthusiasts' attention. This supersonic aircraft is designed for commercial use, with remarkable capabilities intriguing even the military. Overture promises an extraordinary travel experience, covering the Miami to London route in under 5 hours, a significant reduction from the usual 8 hours and 40 minutes offered by American Airlines. With a staggering top speed of over 2,000 AMF and a range spanning 7,800 kilometers, it accommodates 65 to 85 passengers. Anticipating scheduled flights by 2029, production is set to commence in 2025.